How to create shortcut to YouTube on laptop. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on YouTube using any browser of your choice. The next thing guys will be clicking on the three dots at the top right hand corner of your screen. Now you want to go over to where you see cast, save and share. Now you want to go over to the drop down that it brought out, and then you will see shortcuts. Click on shortcuts, and then over here you can edit the name just in case you don't like yours, just as you see me do. I'm trying to remove some things and I just want it to be on YouTube. And when you are done, you want to tap on create for this shortcut to be created. Now I'm going to minimize my browser app, and as you can see over here, I have my YouTube shortcut present. And guys, this is exactly how to create a shortcut to YouTube on your laptop. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.